All right, let's go over how to remove a user from a collaboration space. So we're in a collab space right here. We're going to click on the drop down arrow. We're going to click on modify access right here. Once this opens up, we're going to see who has, oh, come on. There we go. We're going to see who has access to here. Now, the group with the blue people is the collab space group. These two groups at the top are the actual internal user groups. So this is a group we want. We're going to actually click here. Everything in NetDocs is a hyperlink. So let's open it up. And now, once it opens up, we're going to see that Craig Bayer has access. We're going to click remove. And now we've removed. We'll hit OK here. And then close. And we've removed Craig Bayer from the collab space. Other thing to notice here is because there is still a group assigned to it, we've just removed the user from it. The two blue people are still showing up here. I mean, the other thing you could do, I guess, is click on Modify Access. Click on Modify Access again. And you could also just remove the entire group. So maybe there's 5 people, like you want to stop sharing the collab space altogether. And then, we'll check this option, apply this list as well, hit deselect, and then close. Okay, so this is basically, we're bumping everyone from the collab space. Okay, well, they really want to make sure that that's what you want to do. And yeah, so in that instance, because we've actually removed the group, then the blue people are gone. Now, the other thing to do here is that maybe you have a collab space user that's on 50 different groups, okay? Now, you have to be a NetDocs admin to do what I'm doing, but I'm going to click on admin over here. If you're not a repository admin, you cannot do this. And then I'm going to come over to users and groups. All right, and under user, let's switch it to all external users. These are people that are not members of your accounts. And then you could come over here and I'm going to delete Carl Weathers from my entire NetDocs repository. Now, Carl, if we open him up here, we see what groups he's in. So Carl isn't assigned to anything anyway, but usually it'll show you the list of collab spaces that this person is in if they're assigned to a collab space. And then we could just bump everyone off that. So we're just going to hit delete here. And Carl Weathers is now gone. But you have to be a NetDocs admin to do that, and you're really doing that if someone has a whole bunch of, or in a whole bunch of collab spaces. So 3 ways to remove someone from a collab space. You can remove a user. So just come back in here again as we went to collab spaces. We can come in here, modify access. If we open up this group, we can remove and add users. You could also say this is how do you add a new user to a collab space. If you click on modify access here, you can get rid of the whole group, basically unsharing the collab space. And if you have a person that's on 50 collab spaces, then you're going to go into NetDocs admin. You have to be repository admin, and you're going to bump them off that way.